If you are not exiting here, you can exit at the point of control. Yeah, you can see when price get to the point of control, it rolled over. The same reading in the footprint. Now the footprint we'll be looking at for this is 1 minute. I look at 1 minute or 5 minutes. 1 minute or 5 minutes is okay. So in this case, let's look at the footprint. The values are the same, just that the candle bars producing it are different. But those values at that price are the same thing. I need to open more data to create this, but no need. You can still use the 5 minutes. So let's simply use the 5 minutes. Remember, what you are looking for is exhaustion of sellers or absorption of those sellers, bringing in more people to buy. You can see here, this buy particular is the point of control. This is the highest volume of the buy stepped in. All right, it shows that a lot of people are trying to buy. In fact, they started coming in from here, though the sellers overpowered them, push it down until they finally took it over. And then when you look at the closure of the candles, they are far off from the point of control. All right, if you had seen only the pin bar, you are not going to see all this information within that candle. So that is the beauty of footprint. All right, I will make more videos on how you can read footprint with different levels, imbalance, delta, just volume alone, and the rest. And then from there, remember, you target previous area. Then going forward, maybe when price came back down here, where did it come to? It came to a high volume node. We have one here, but as you can see, this high volume node, we don't have opening price. So I won't be looking at this. And the opening price that was here, there is no high volume node here. All right, because this is the 30 minutes. I want a strong high volume this here. So this place here, what can you see here? Opening price. Price came in, tap into that area, created, in fact, spend the whole 30 minutes in here. Start picking a direction. But the good thing is that they were building orders here. And I can see my opening price there doing its job. Eventually, price pushed up, creating more high volume nodes within the opening price. When currently this is where price is. If for any reason price come down, this is where I'll be looking to buy. Yeah, looking to buy at that area to go upward. Because why do you think price will come back down? You can see we spend the whole 30 minutes in here. All right, and we are within the high value area and low value area here. Okay, so if we can break above this high value area high, then we should be pushing up to some reasonable distance. But if you close below this, then I'll be coming down. You can see this area push price, but not too strong. This place that does not have the opening price, aside from the beginning of it, which is the value area high. Okay, so I want to see price take out this area and break up to the upside. Remember, this is a swing setup and we are bullish on that already. So if you have any question, make sure you put it in the comment section, and more of this kind of video will be uploaded frequently.